Kaugnay po ng mga pasyenteng nasa labas ng ospital sa Cebu, makakausap natin live ang Chief ng Cebu City Medical Center na si Dr. Gloria Duterte. Doc, magandang hapon po.
Good afternoon also.
Doc, ilang pasyente po ba ang nasa labas ngayon? Nauulanan daw, naiinitan.
Actually, we don't have the rain here, and we only have 100 patients which we place at the fire department area.
So, ma'am, kumusta naman po yung kalagayan itong mga pasyente natin na nasa labas po ng gusali?
Actually, we are transferring these patients to other hospitals, especially those who are very critical and those that we intubated.
Okay. Ma'am, ilan po ba yung mga critical na pasyente at ilan na po yung nailipat natin sa ibang ospital?
As of this time, we have transferred 6 patients to Velas Hospital, and we are still waiting for Cebu doctors to give us the go signal for us to transfer our patients to their hospital.
Okay, ma'am, di marami-rami pa po ano ang matitira kung may 100 pasyente po yung nasa labas, 6 pa lang po yung naililipat, medyo marami-rami pa po yung mga pasyenteng kailangang mahanapan ng ibang ospital, ano po?
Yes, ma'am, we are trying our best to be able to transfer all these patients today.
So ngayong araw po ba, maililipat po lahat ng mga pasyente o aabutin pa po hanggang bukas?
It depends on the availability of the hospital. If they have available space for our patients, then we will transfer it today.
Ma'am, kumusta naman po yung pagpapagamot ng mga pasyenteng nandyan sa labas? Hindi ho ba't mas mahirap o mas lalong silang nahihirapan dahil may sakit na nga nandyan pa po sila sa labas?
Yeah, of course, nahirapan sila kasi andito sila sa labas.
At kumusta naman po yung yung sa medical staff naman po on the part of the Cebu City Medical Center, nabibigyan pa rin naman po ba sila ng pansin?
Of course, lahat kami nagtutulungan for our patient. So we will be able to attend all our patients that come to us for consultations.
Okay, ma'am, maraming salamat po. Dr. Gloria Duterte, ang Chief ng Cebu City Medical Center.